Warren Buffett starts each day with extensive reading and reflection, choosing to deepen his understanding before jumping into meetings or deals. He champions frugality and discipline, living simply in Omaha and steering clear of flashy extravagance as a pillar of his wealth. The routine includes time for philanthropy and mentorship, reinvesting gains rather than splurging, which helps compound long-term value. Buffett relies on firm decision-making based on patience, circle of competence, and a keen avoidance of unnecessary debt or risk. Viewers learn to cultivate a learning habit, focus on intrinsic value, and align wealth with purposeful goals.